Good evening, traders. I hope everyone had a fantastic expiry. Guys, today was one of the toughest expiry that we have faced in Fin Nifty. एंड आज एक सर्कुलर भी आया था बैंक निफ्टी का कि बैंक निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी अब शिफ्ट होने वाली है थर्सडे से फ्राइडे वेदर इट इम्पैक्ट्स निफ्टी और एंड बैंक निफ्टी टुगेदर और इट्स ओनली बैंक निफ्टी विल कम टू नो बट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जितना समझ में आ रहा है सिर्फ बैंक निफ्टी को इम्पैक्ट करेगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के एक्सपायरी में हमने दो ट्रेड दिए थे ग्रुप में. वन हिट 40 पॉइंट टारगेट, वन गेव 8 to 10 पॉइंट्स मूवमेंट एंड देन केम बैक एंड हिट दी स्टॉप लॉस. सो members would have booked small profit or would have exited at small loss, right? बट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आज हमने मेंटरशिप के टाइम कुछ कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स लाइव डिस्कस किए थे. मैंने अपने मेंटीज़ को कहा था कि फिन निफ्टी में पुट साइड में मत जाना, जाना कॉल साइड पे. अब हमने ऐसा क्या देखा था चार्ट पे, जल्दी से आके देखते हैं. राइट, मैंने पर्सनली आई वाज आउटसाइड, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव पोस्टेड द ट्रेड टू एवरीवन. आई वाज आउटसाइड. इट वुड हैव बीन रॉन्ग ऑन माय पार्ट टू पोस्ट अ ट्रेड व्हेन आई कैन नॉट शेयर अ चार्ट. तो मैंने अपने मेंटीज़ को शेयर किया था. उन्हें चार्ट रीडिंग क्योंकि हमने सिखाया है तो उनको चार्ट रीडिंग समझ में भी आता है. हम जो पॉइंट आउट करते हैं वो इजीली ग्रास्प कर सकते हैं. राइट, तो चलते हैं अब चार्ट पे कि ऐसा हमने क्या देखा था आज चार्ट्स में कि हम कॉन्फिडेंट थे. तो दोस्तों ये देखिए, आपकी विक्स कंटिन्यूसली इस रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रीच नहीं कर पा रही थी. राइट, अराउंड मैंने कहा था अराउंड 3 o'clock यहाँ से एक शार्प विक्स में पुल बैक आ सकता है. अब चलते हैं बैंक निफ्टी में. बैंक निफ्टी दोस्तों अगर आप देखेंगे, बैंक निफ्टी clearly was trading near the psychological support levels, right? Now for us to travel below this psychological support, it would have taken a big beating, right? And personally we were not seeing that happening, right? So which is where we were waiting for these levels to get taken out. Once these levels got taken out, we had entered long and we made good money in our fin nifty c, right? I had personally traded bank nifty c and that also gave good returns. Now let's look at the daily chart, right? What has happened in the daily chart, right? Daily chart is looking very interesting, guys. Let me quickly go to the daily chart. So daily chart is looking interesting, right? Wait, I'll just refresh this. For some reason it's showing a different candle. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, yesterday was a fall. Today it's a rise, right? Interestingly, bank nifty from a daily standpoint is still in a very narrow range. There is no range in the market right now. For tomorrow, right, I would be looking at shorting the market below 43,980 and going long above 44,291, right? But the possibilities are looking more on the long side now, given this trend line was taken out, right? Let's get into 15-minute charts to see how we can approach it from an intraday standpoint, right? So wait, let me just, okay. So intraday, very simply put, right, we had closing has just happened above the important trend line, right, from which is coming from the top. So for tomorrow, right, either we get a gap down opening and market sustains near 43,980 and 44,030, right, and it gives a bullish candle, we go long, or market actually consolidates here, takes a support at 44,137, creates a bullish candle in 1 minute or 5 minutes, and we go long. Targets upside are slightly narrow, so we are looking at a target of 44,280. I'm looking at a target, if it opens here, I'm looking at a target of 44,210, 280 and 420, right? Don't hope that you will get big targets in bank nifty. It is gonna be very difficult for you to generate trades which would yield big results, guys. It's looking very difficult to me because market is actually in a range, right? Tomorrow is Wednesday, one day before expiry. I think the option players, right, the sellers would prepare their movement. Be cautious, right? The spot chart is saying that it could go long. There is a trend line which is also coming from the bottom, if you can visualize this, right? So this one also, right, to hit short now I need to actually get a solid body closing below this level. But short side my targets are very low. Long side I think I am seeing a good movement tomorrow. Let's look through components, right? The spot is not giving any clue. VIX is clearly monthly open low candle, right, is not breaking. So there is no volatility in the market. Now today what pulled the market upside was the news that came from China, right? Once the news comes, everything actually goes for a toss. So now if I look at it, right, let me go to the 6 chart layout for bank nifty. So if you see, right, everything had taken out the support. So let's look at HDFC chart first, right? It has given a decent move. HDFC had broken out the support, it had retested, and we were expecting this to go down. It is actually in the chart, right? It has given an up move. So tomorrow, right, if HDFC opens gap down, can go all the way to 1613. Friends, I am now looking at a solid move here, right? I am looking at a solid move till 1612 before any downswing comes in HDFC. Daily candle is also showing some bullish movement now. Again, I would be very cautious to short this stock now, right? This is where it has taken a support. I said it has supports everywhere. It has taken a support. It could go till 1612, 1620 and 1634. Coming to next one, ICICI. Again, it was at support, took the support. Personally, if it comes opens at 939, we can expect 946. Daily chart of ICICI also was looking good as far as I know, right? Again, it's in a narrow range. Let it play in the range. No major trend will come in ICICI till it breaks 954 or breaks it down 931, right? Axis, clearly we had said don't short this stock, this is bullish. It has formed a bearish engulfing at the top in 15 minutes. Tomorrow, right, it only gets confirmed below 964. If it takes out 970, you are still in the game for long, right? More or less my long targets for Axis are done. If you see, right, all three banks are neutral to bullish, the big components, right? I would not look at shorting this market right now because everything is looking neutral to bullish. Kotak, clearly we were neutral to bullish. Kotak has given the bull side movement. SBIN again is trading in a narrow range, and so is IndusInd, right? If I look at the components are all telling me a story that it could be neutral to bullish. Now let's go to the charts on the option side, right? So 44,000 CE is what I am looking at, and I would look at 44,500 PE, right, to see if there is any trade which can be generated. Clearly, right, 500 puts now decimated, they are near support. Tomorrow, right, if they open between 360 and 317, consolidate above this, right, you have a small stop loss, you can take a trade for 50 points. I am personally interested on this one. The reason I am interested is it has formed a good base around 264, taken a dip and then gone up. Tomorrow, if it opens between 252 and 280, right, takes a consolidation, I will have a place to put the stop loss. I would trade this on the long side. 44,000 CE is an institutional strike. It has got good movement till 343 and 396. So friends, this is it. For people who are new in this channel, have not subscribed and are watching video, please go ahead and subscribe to our video. Hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications. As discussed, we will not be very active on YouTube live sessions these days because we are teaching afternoon and end of day setups to our mentees, right? For people who are interested in mentorship, please go ahead and ping. Today's price action was very difficult to catch, but we caught it. Our mentees made fantastic money. If you want to learn how to generate these kind of trades, please reach out to support ID. We would be happy to help you, right? Telegram link is provided in the description channel. Please join a Telegram link. We post a lot of calls which can benefit general janta, and also we broadcast a lot of learning content, right? So friends, this is it from me. I hope you are enjoying our content. If you are liking our quality content, please share it with your friends and family members, right? I know many people are bearish on the market. I am bullish now because the components chart and option strikes are aligning. Tomorrow, if it opens in my range, I would look at a bull side trade, right? At this point of time, this is it, friends. Please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, comment in case you want to look at something else. I will end this video. Looking forward to meeting you again. Thank you.